The Belfast Beacon has been around since 2001, but just in the last few years, we have a website and use social media to spread articles that students write. This website has been a bit dormant in the last year due to the advisor being out for half of last year, but we are hoping to get it rolling again. You can take a journalism independent study here at Belfast for a half credit that will show up on your transcript and contribute to the Beacon on a regular basis, or you can just contribute occasionally when you have something that you'd like to submit. Usually there are 10 trending stories in the left side, but again, because we haven't had a lot of new material, it's not a very long list, but that will change soon. If you look in the archives, you can see old issues going all the way back to 2001, and it's kind of fun to look at those and see what students were focusing on in the past, some issues that have come up year after year, things like dress code and school lunch, but then there have also been timely articles written about, like bands that were more popular at one point in time, or political issues that came up in the past. We will update our staff page once we have our new writers for the year, but for each writer, there is a list of all the articles they've written and a brief bio under their photo. The sections we currently have are our news sections, so we see articles here about school trips and play, concerts, things like that. Then we have our feature section, and the one that is really the most popular part of the Beacon for the community at large is our alumni spotlight page. For example, Adam Enders interviewed Michael Vienna, who graduated here and now works at Emory University as the director of athletics. And there are a lot of alumni spotlights of people that perhaps you know from the community that have gone out and done other things. We have an arts and entertainment section, so film reviews, poetry, chapters of novels, artwork, all of that is on the arts and entertainment page. Our sports page, of course, is the reporting on both school sports and sometimes professional sports beyond our school community. And we have an opinion page. Currently, the opinion page is organized by the different sorts of topics that have been written about, but we can always change and adapt that throughout time as we add more. And so that is an overview of what you see on the Beacon. Coming up soon, anyone who's interested in writing for the Beacon this year will be invited to a field trip at St. Bonaventure University. The headliner at this field trip is Adrian Wojnarowski. He works for ESPN. He focuses on the NBA, but he went to St. Bonaventure. So he's coming back for an event October 18th, where the schedule will be for all of the people that go on this field trip to hear from Woj Wojnarowski, who graduated in 1991, and there is a series of workshops with topics like how to create Woj bombs, which are tweets that break sports stories, how to do investigative reporting, turn your love of Instagram, etc., into a marketing career. Social media is not just random posts, interactive reporting involving the presidential election, what it takes to broadcast sports, tips for great video, seeing St. Bonaventure TV newscast, see a live filming. Then there will be lunch, free time for the bookstore, and in the afternoon we will do a combination of either a campus tour, see their media facilities, and an extra workshop on a topic that we're interested in. So hopefully a lot of you might be interested in contributing to the Beacon, whether you want to sign up for the journalism independent study, or if you just want to occasionally contribute, please let your English teacher know, and we will follow up on that. Thank you.